How to change profile picture in BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your profile avatar or your picture in BingX step by step. First of all, open the BingX application on your smartphone and log in. From the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar or your profile icon, and then tap on your profile icon one more time in the next pop-up. This will open up the personal info section where you need to tap the pencil button underneath your current avatar at the top. From the Select Avatar tab, you can go ahead and select one of the options. If you want to take your own picture and upload it as your avatar, you can tap on camera and take a picture. If you want to select from your device's camera roll, tap on select from album and choose a photo of yours as your profile picture. If you want any system avatars, then you can tap on select system avatars and choose a different avatar from the menu. So that is how you will be able to change your profile picture or your avatar in BingX. Soon after you select a picture, you'll be able to see it reflected inside your personal info section. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.